To give you a better understanding of the prevailing situation, let's take a look at this report filed by Kamaljeet Sandhu.
India today is at line of control. This is Afrawat Peak, and let me tell you, sub-zero temperatures, difficult terrain, but this is where Indian Army and the Border Security Force operating. This is long-range patrol, the LRP. Look at this. It's difficult to speak even at this particular level, but there you are. This particular difficult terrain itself shows the sort of equipment, the sort of training the security grid has, and this is the time to dominate this, because remember, activities across line of control extremely high. Pakistan has sounded a high alert, but India has been on high alert day in and night out. And there you see, moving very tactically across line of control, and this is where at 13,800 feet, this is the dominance of the security grid, and in particular the Border Security Force. Just look at it. Several inches of snow, that means they can actually, any misstep, and that means they can actually be in the snow itself. But they have that particular training, moving very tactically at this point of time. And remember, this route has also seen a lot of infiltrations in and around. Pakistan is just about 20 kilometers from here on a motorable road. But as the crow flies, is just about 4 kilometers. And this is where the dominance is to be seen by security grid, in particular the Indian Army, which has a camp, and obviously the BSF, which has been particularly dominating the road opening party. There is also the long range patrol, which is currently on, and that is how you see the patrol take place. And this is an advanced area near the line of control. Not far away from LOC is heightened surveillance being mounted by security forces. There is obviously the use of the UAVs, and this is keeping a keen eye on movement of the enemy. Now, let me tell you, there's also information which is very credible as far as intelligence agencies are concerned, that across the line of control, there is some movement by Pakistani Army. Some important key posts have been taken back, and so have been the terror launch pad. The terrorists have moved back, and this is because they apprehend that there would be some sort of a stringent action done imminently. And there you see, as part of this entire process, this entire exercise is being undertaken at the line of control. जिस तरह से नॉन लोकल्स को टारगेट किया, आप लोग किस तरह से देखते हैं, खास तौर पे क्योंकि अभी अमरनाथ का सीजन शुरू होने वाला है।
जी, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप ये लोग यहाँ पर आ गए। जहाँ तक आपने कहा कि टारगेटिंग, ये जो टारगेटिंग किलिंग हुई है, ये टूरिस्ट के ऊपर नहीं हुई है, ये एक फैमिली, हमारे फैमिली मेंबर के ऊपर, मेरे फैमिली मेंबर वो थे। हम नहीं समझते हैं, हम इसको कट करते हैं कि ये टूरिस्ट थे, क्योंकि ये अपने मुल्क की थे, गैर मुल्की नहीं थे। गैर मुल्की का मतलब हो गया वो गैर थे, ये अपने मुल्क के थे, इसलिए हमारे फैमिली मेंबर थे वो। हमारे फैमिली मेंबर चले गए, हम इसके लिए ये कहेंगे कि ये बहुत ही गलत हो गया। इसको हम जितने भी मतलब
अमरनाथ पे आपको क्या लग रहा है, कुछ होगा सर? क्योंकि यात्री भी आते हैं, इससे पहले हमने देखा है कि कई बार ऐसा भी हुआ है कि यात्रा पे भी हमला हुआ है।
ये मेरी सोनमर्ग है, आप फाइल खोल के देखिए। 89 से जब से ये हालात खराब हो गए, तब से लेके आज तक देखिए कि हमारी जो सोनमर्ग है, इसने कितना अच्छा वेलकम किया है यात्रियों के लिए। अमरनाथ यात्रा इंशाअल्लाह और हमारे खुश उसलूबी के साथ यहाँ पर रवाना दवा रहेगी इंशाअल्लाह। जैसे पहले सालों में रही थी, जैसे पहले सालों में आती थी, उससे ज़्यादा हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि उससे ज़्यादा अमरनाथ यात्रा यहाँ पर आ जाए।
टूरिस्ट पे ऐसा हमला कभी हुआ ही नहीं था, ये हमारी बदकिस्मती है। क्या पता है कौन लोग ये नहीं चाहते हैं कि ये कश्मीर खुशहाल रहे।
A heightened sense of alert even after 10 days of Pahalgam terror attack, all you see on ground is the security grid, and there's a renewed synergy, be it CRPF, the BSF, the Indian Army, all working in tandem. Now, there is a multi-tiered security grid which has been formed, especially in and around tourist areas. Remember, there was a sense of unease, especially after tourists came out, that there was lack of security, especially in Pahalgam at that point of time when the terror attack was unleashed. But right here, what you see is BSF on guard, but they are also not just the road opening party, they also double up as the quick reaction team, also carrying out area domination exercise. And not just the roads, but also these terrains, which includes thick green foliage. And let me tell you, in all 10 districts of Jammu and Kashmir, in Kashmir Valley in particular, there are cordon and search operations going on. And this is where what we know is that there's a renewed effort by security grid to ensure that no loophole is actually left. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Gulmarg for India Today.